The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 is shaping up to be an interesting device, and a new leak has just given us a major reason to get excited. According to the latest rumor, the Z Flip 7 will feature an improved hinge mechanism, leading to a less visible crease on the display. This could be one of the most significant upgrades we've seen in Samsung's clamshell foldable series. In recent months, we've heard quite a few underwhelming rumors about the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and its larger counterpart, the Z Fold 7. Some reports suggest that Samsung is playing it safe, possibly re-releasing a phone that looks and feels very similar to its predecessor. But now, thanks to a tip from my Panda Flash Pro on X, we have something to look forward to. The tipster claims that Samsung has made advancements in its hinge technology, reducing the visibility of the crease even further. For those who have used previous Flip models, you know how noticeable the crease can be. While the Z Flip 6 did improve at this area, it was still there. If this new leak turns out to be true, the Z Flip 7 could take us one step closer to a truly seamless foldable display. Now let's be clear, this rumor doesn't claim that the crease will be completely invisible. Instead, it will be less visible. But any improvement here is a win, especially for those who find a crease distracting. Since the crease sits right in the middle of the screen, it often disrupts the user experience, particularly when scrolling. While some users have gotten used to it, others still find it annoying. But that's not the only upgrade we might see on the Z Flip 7. Another major rumor is that the device will include Samsung's ProScaler technology from the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This feature enhances display image quality in real time, potentially offering a better visual experience. Additionally, the Flip 7 may come with an all-new flexible glass, which could make the screen more durable and resistant to damage. However, beyond these improvements, other rumored aspects of the Z Flip 7 are less exciting. The phone is not expected to bring significant upgrades in the camera department or design. It may have a slightly slimmer body, but for the most part, it looks like Samsung is sticking to the same overall aesthetic. Another area of concern is the processor. The Z Flip 7 is expected to feature Samsung's in-house Exynos 2500 chip instead of Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite. While the Exynos 2500 might deliver reliable performance, it's unclear whether it will be able to match Qualcomm's flagship chipset. On the bright side, Samsung is reportedly including a larger vapor chamber, which should help with cooling and overall performance. Unfortunately, charging speeds remain unchanged. The Z Flip 7 is said to support the same 25-watt wired charging as its predecessor, which may disappoint users hoping for faster charging times. On the software side, Samsung is expected to pack the Flip 7 with a host of AI-driven features. While generative AI is becoming a big focus for smartphone makers, the real question is whether these features will be genuinely useful in daily life or just another market. Ultimately, if the Galaxy Z Flip 7 truly delivers on its promise of a less visible crease and better display quality, it could be a compelling option for foldable phone enthusiasts. However, if the other rumored shortcomings hold true, such as limited design changes, no camera upgrades, and the use of an Exynos chip, it may not be the most exciting foldable launch we've seen. So what are your thoughts on the Galaxy Z Flip 7? Are you excited about the reduced crease, or are you hoping for more substantial upgrades? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the latest tech news. Launching the Galaxy S25 series today in San Jose, California, marking the debut of 3 exciting models: the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra. Just hours before the grand unveiling, retail boxed images surfaced, showcasing the lineup in their sleek packaging. The leak confirms that the boxes are thin, with no in-box charger included, continuing Samsung's trend of reducing packaging waste. Among the colors revealed, the Galaxy S25 comes in a refined gray, the S25 Plus dazzles in dark blue, and the S25 Ultra stuns in its titanium ice blue finish. Samsung's bold design choices are evident in the Ultra model, which retains its signature S Pen slot while sporting rounded edges for a more comfortable grip. Under the hood, all models are powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, a custom for Galaxy version that is overclocked for enhanced performance. The base Galaxy S25 model offers 128 gigabytes of storage, a somewhat disappointing figure, but Samsung compensates with a boost in RAM to 12 gigabytes across all base models. For storage options, the lineup includes 256 gigabytes as standard, with 512 gigabytes available for users requiring more space. Hands-on images have added last-minute excitement, offering an early look at the Galaxy S25 series. The leaks reveal a redesigned, slender retail box that emphasizes the phone's frames and cameras. The Ultra's design features premium-looking camera rings, flat sides, and a streamlined back panel, further enhancing comfort and aesthetics. Color options across the series include mint and silver shadow for the Galaxy S25, navy blue for the S25 Plus, and titanium gray for the S25 Ultra. Exclusive online-only colors such as blue, black, coral red, and pink gold provide even more variety for buyers. In terms of pricing, Samsung is keeping the base prices steady compared to the Galaxy S24 series in South Korea. This decision, despite rising production costs and a higher USD to Korean won exchange rate, is seen as a win for consumers worldwide. However, higher storage variants see a slight increase. Here's the pricing breakdown for the base 256GB models. Galaxy S25, 1,155,000 Korean won, $796. Galaxy S25 Plus, 1,353,000 Korean won, $933. Galaxy S25 Ultra, 1,694,000 Korean won, $1,171. Higher storage variants will cost Galaxy S25 512GB, 1,313,500 Korean won, $962. Galaxy S25 Plus 512GB, 1,511,400 Korean won, $1,429. Galaxy S25 Ultra 512GB, 1,858,600 Korean won, $1,281. These prices are competitive given the global use of the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which is 20% more expensive than its predecessor. One of the standout features of the Galaxy S25 series is Galaxy AI, included free of charge through 2025. This advanced AI capability enhances user experience by offering features such as night video with audio eraser. This innovative tool allows users to capture stunning videos in low light while reducing both video grain and background audio noise. Samsung has also upgraded the selfie cameras for lifelike skin tones and textures, ensuring top-notch photo quality. The Galaxy S25 lineup also introduces varying battery capacities to suit different needs. Galaxy S25, 4,000 mAh, Galaxy S25 Plus, 4,900 mAh, Galaxy S25 Ultra, 5,000 mAh. As expected, the S Pen remains exclusive to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, bundled within the box. For display enthusiasts, the series offers impressive screen sizes. 6.2 inches for the S25, 6.7 inches for the S25 Plus, and a massive 6.9 inches for the S25 Ultra. The Ultra also leads the pack with a 200-megapixel main camera, and all the other models feature 50-megapixel primary sensors. Samsung's ecosystem features are also highlighted in the Galaxy S25 series. Smart Switch makes it seamless to transfer data from your old device, while Samsung Digital Wallet provides a secure hub for credit cards, boarding passes, and more. For Galaxy users, daily news briefings will deliver morning and evening updates on weather, top stories, and other essentials. What's your take on the Galaxy S25 series pricing and features? Are you excited about the design, performance, or AI capabilities? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to reserve your Galaxy S25 through the link in the description to take advantage of exclusive offers. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more updates on the latest gadgets, and turn on notifications so you never miss a future upload. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey Samsung fans, the moment we've all been waiting for is almost here. The Galaxy S25 series is set to be unveiled at the highly anticipated Galaxy Unpacked event on January 22nd. But here's the deal.